Dilly. So today I am doing Audrey from Descendants 3. So let's just get straight into it. I already did my foundation. Now I'm gonna do the powder a little bit. Didn't mean to get it in my ear. This is the new way to do powder, like loose powder. This is the RCMA no color powder. Probably the most powder I've had in history. We're gonna use this pot for next, and I'm gonna start with this color. I'm just using my foundation for like eyeshadow. This will make it so that the eyeshadow colors on top of it will make it vibrant. I'm gonna use kind of this flat, kind of tiny brush. And now I'm gonna use that color. So Audrey kind of has it like right in here. She has like just a little bit under her eyes. Do the same with the other eye. We're just patting on this color, not swiping. I'm gonna use like this dark purple. And now I'm gonna use this flat brush. Actually, before I start on the purple, well, I kind of already did, but still, I am actually gonna take this tape. So this is a method. Audrey has an angle. So what you do is you take tape, so that's what I'm doing here. And then it's about like that. And then you stick that on. And she kind of has it starting under, like right here, and then going up. And now I'm gonna start on the purple. That way I can just get on the tape. If I need it to go up. And then I'm gonna take a fluffy brush and just blend all the colors together. Okay, now I'm gonna take the tape off. And voila! And then I'm going to take this again and blend it up. Because she has it like kind of up, like this. It's like half an inch away from the eyebrow, so. And then kind of blend that in. Now I'm darkening it up with a little black. Now I can put this in. Now this side's done, I can take this. So same with this side, starting with the tape. Now take the purple. Now I'm gonna blend that. Make sure to use a white fluffy brush for blending. You don't want a straight line down the middle like that, because it'll look weird. And now I'm gonna do the black. Okay, eyes are done. Now I'm gonna do my eyeliner. We're doing it in the waterline. Now that's done, and I'm gonna curl my eyelashes and then do my mascara. This is the Maybelline Big Shot Mascara. I'm gonna combine these two for my lip color. I'm going to just do this all over my lips, and then I'm just gonna add the other color in the middle. Now I'm going to add this on top. This gloss is from NYX. Now using a brown powder, we're gonna fill in my brows. And I'm using soft brown from the Anastasia palette. I'm gonna use this to peach it out because my mom says my lips need to be a little bit more peach. That's Barely Blossom from Maybelline. I'm using the butter bronzer for my bronzer. It helps to make a fish face like this. Today was my first day of school. Hit that like button if you guys are starting school too. I'm gonna do my blush. This is the Maybelline Fit Me blush, and it's in the color Rose. We're putting the blush just above the bronzer. Now the makeup looks done, now it's time to finish the costume. Here is the wig. We actually got this wig from the Disney store, but it is not my favorite. Audrey's hair is like really long. Hers is like down to here. There. And like just like longer than this, and like this wig is just pretty short. And it's just not very good. It's just kind of more pink and less blue. And it's just not very good. I would look for a wig on Amazon. And the last thing. Now I'm Audrey. Here's the final Descendants 3 Audrey look. I'm so tired of pretending. Where's my happy ending? Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe and we'll see you in my next video. Bye!